Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade the supply and demand, guys, using smart money concept, guys. So this is my trading view, guys, and I'll be posting supply and demand analysis here, guys, related this here, guys. You can check it out, guys. So if you look at gold here, guys, you can see that gold is actually one of the supply and demand this thing I posted. So this was a major demand zone, guys. So as you can see that if I click this, guys, you can see that the price actually hit where people who took this trade actually make a very big profit, guys. And if you look at my telegram, like if I go and show you my telegram, guys, you will see that there's many things that is on it. So like if you look at my telegram here, you will see that I posted this thing for I posted this demand zone, guys, on my telegram, and you can see how it was able to make a nice profit, guys, and people who took this trade are also making nice profit. So let me go and teach you how you can able to trade this demand supply zone, guys. So I'm going to use a MetaTrader. Right here on MetaTrader, I'm going to tell you one of the things you have to know about demand zone. So for you to trade the demand or supply zone, guys, first of all, you have to be on a high time frame. You have to go to high time frame, either 4 hours, daily, month, weekly, or something like that, guys. So monthly, guys. So you have to know the flow of the market. Like what do I mean by flow of the market? You have to know the structure of the market, what the market is about. Is it a downtrend or uptrend, guys? Once you discover what is actually going on, like this market right now, if you can slow it down here, you can see that we are in downtrend, guys. So this is actually showing us that we are actually on a downtrend market, guys, and you can see how it is on downtrend, guys. So this is actually telling us that we can actually go and mark the market, and we will be expecting to the going for supply, guys. So we can actually go for supply on a 15-minute time frame, or we can actually go for supply on a 5-minute time frame, guys. So but it is all depends, guys, if the market is in downtrend. But if you look at the downtrend of the market, you can see that it's not completely downtrend like that, guys. So it's not completely downtrend, but you can see that the price actually made something here, guys. Price actually made something here. You can see that the price actually made something here, guys, which is actually one of the things I want to show you here. Price actually made a rejection here, guys, which actually form a demand zone here, guys. And you can see that if you can able to trace this, if you can able to trace this a particular thing here, you can see that the price actually mitigated this zone here, guys. So which is actually we will be going for buy here, guys, and people who are going for targeting for buy here, you'll be targeting for buy here and put your stop loss here and be going for up here, guys. But that is not it, guys. Let's say that we want to go for buy here. We want to go for buy here, guys. So why I didn't want to go for sell here is because market is actually on you can see that the market is actually on a market is selling. But if you look at a 4-hour time frame, you can see that market actually form a something here, guys, which is actually is not actually completely downtrend, that it is recovering from this demand zone, guys, which is actually the main point of DT, guys. So which is actually mean that we should be going up here, guys. So which is actually, so if the market is making let's say that the overall trend is higher low, lower low, lower high, then we will be expecting like going targeting something like targeting that is targeting only supply zone, like supply zone. Let's say the market is going like this, guys, so we'll be targeting only supply zone, guys. So but this place, guys, you can see that the market is something like this, market is something like this, which is actually not something like we'll be expecting to go up or go down, guys. So like that's something like market is doing here. So it is making higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high, which is not in stable, guys. So this is what we'll be targeting, and this kind of market will be targeting for the support or resistance area, guys. So that's where we'll be targeting, and you can see that the market made what is here. So let me just mark this place, guys, and actually go to 15-minute time frame. Let's go to 15-minute time frame, guys, so that we can actually see how the 15-minute time frame is, guys. So let's go, let me go. So if you look at here, you can see that this is the actually the place that the market actually actually doing things, guys. Look at actually doing some things, guys, which is actually where we mark that the market is actually uh, expecting to react. You can see where the market is actually react here. So this is actually our demand zone, guys. So this is actually our demand zone. You can see that this is actually our demand zone. So the next thing is for you to do when you find the demand zone. What are you going to do? You don't actually go for demand zone entirely, like you don't actually go immediately, guys. You have to wait for target, check for the fair value gap. Some people use fair value gap, or you use what, order block. So me, I personally use order block, and I have shown you a video on how to mark an order block, guys. So if you want to mark this order block here, we are going to mark for here, guys. So we are going to say that this place is our what, our this place is our what, our what, our demand zone. You can see, so this is our demand zone, guys. You can see we are marking the last candle of the red candle, guys. So, and if the price come and mitigate that zone, then let's see, we mark it like this, guys. Let's say, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing, guys. So if the market let's say the market actually touch that area, let's say it touch this area, guys. You can see the market actually mitigate this area. If the market, let me just zoom it a little bit. So you can see the red, right? So if the market mitigated the area, if the market mitigated the area, guys, we are going to be what, we are going to be going for up, guys. So we'll be going for up. You can see that it is actually mitigated it because we are targeting this particular, we are targeting this week. So we are using this week also, guys. So you can see that market mitigated it, guys, and we can see that this is our what, demand zone, demand. So this is our demand, and we are targeting this zone, and we are taking our profit here. So on the next resistance here, guys. So don't be so greedy that you'll be expecting to take all the profit, here, guys. So you'll be expecting to know where you can take profit. We are taking profit at the next resistance level, guys. This is a resistance level, and anything else, guys, we are leaving it, guys. So this is where you'll be targeting your this thing. So this is a demand, and again, let's still look if you can see another something like supply, guys. So supply zone, guys. So, and if you look at here, you can see that the price, let's go to 4-hour time frame, because that's where we can actually, like I told you, that 4 hours is very nice to identify the market in this zone, guys. So if you look at this place, guys, you can see that the market actually went up here, guys, and after went up here, guys, market actually retest at this area, guys. So the market actually went up and went down. So we will be marking our demand zone, supply zone at this place. So the last candle of the green candle, we can actually mark it here, and we can actually scroll it small, and if we scroll it, we can actually know whether it mitigated. So if it doesn't mitigate, then you leave it, guys. At times the market will not mitigate. So if the market does not mitigate, you will leave it. It's not a more that you will mitigate, guys. So you can see that this is our supply zone. So let's look at if the market is actually mitigated that zone, guys. Does the market actually mitigated the zone? Yeah, it mitigated it, guys. You can see. So it mitigated it, guys. It mitigated the zone, and it mitigated the zone, guys. It mitigated the zone. You can see it, guys. It mitigated the zone, and sometimes it might not mitigate the zone, guys. And if it doesn't mitigate the zone, you can actually, I use the last candle. You can see the last candle of the this thing I used the last candle of the of this green candle, guys. I used the last candle of this green candle, and you can see how I'm using it, guys. You can see how I use this last candle of the green candle. So I use this last candle of the green candle, and I choose these two. I choose the two here, and you can see how I choose the two. I made the if I want to like, if I want to make it more this, if I want to refine it, I can use this last one. So but that depends on you guys, so but I use this particular one to I choose this one, which is actually mitigated at the point. You can see it's mitigated, guys. So it depends on you guys, and that's one thing I want to show you guys about demand zones and supply zone. So for a demand zone to happen, there will be a what you call what that will be a what, like something like change of break of structure. There will be a break of structure, something like that are going to happen on a demand zone. So look at this place, guys. Or demand zone or supply zone, there will be a what, a break of structure. There must be a what, a break of structure for a demand zone to happen, guys. So or supply zone. So if there is no a break of structure in your demand zone or supply zone, that means that the market have not yet formed what, a demand or supply zone, guys. So this is one of the things I want you guys to understand and how you can able to trade it, guys. So let me just go to GBP USD. Let me just go to GBP USD and show you something more, guys. Let's go to GBP USD. So most of you here, if you are new for this thing, guys, you can actually watch this video very well. Watch it very well, guys. So look at here, guys. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here, guys. Look at what is going on here. You can see here, guys, there is what, a break. There is a breakout here, guys. So we mark our this thing here, our supply zone here, but the market actually break it out, guys. So the market actually didn't respect our demand zone at this point, guys. You can see at this point, but if you look at carefully, you can see that the market respected it, right? Respected it as somewhere here, guys. You can see if you mark it from here, let's say that you are trading here, you want to catch a this thing here, you can see that the market respected it here, but here the market did later break it out, guys. So those that took the trade here, we actually make it. But if you have let's say you missed the trade, you want to target this area again, you have missed it, guys. You missed it. So this is the thing that I want to show you guys. Can see, so this is actually work, this one actually work very well, guys. So on this is demand. But let's say that you are trading supply here, those that trading supply here, guys, let's say that this place is but you can see that there's what, a liquidity here, market form what, a liquidity, and we cannot, like for me, I say that you will allow this liquidity to be breaking out of this particular area. You can see that the market broke out the liquidity here, so which is actually, so if the market will come to this zone, this is where I'm going to enter another one for supply zone. So this is where I'm going to be selling and allow the market to come down here, guys. So the market need to break out this liquidity zone and went up here, and you find what your supply zone here, guys, and enter here and trade here, guys. So this is what the people, some of people don't know. I'm not trying, like what I'm trying is to make things very easier for you. You can see that I'm using phone to make all these things. Some are using desktop, but I want to use phone so that you can tell you that you can access it on your phone. Look at this place again, guys. Look at what is happening here, guys. If you look at the last candle here, the last candle here, because the market is in that uptrend, and the market, if you can mark this place here, guys, you can see that market is in uptrend, and the market retest, and after the retest, guys, the market retest and broken out of this zone. So you can see that the market, so the market made what, something I called what, break of structure here. Like he tried to make a break of structure, but he couldn't make what, a break of structure, because you can see this candle here, it couldn't make a break of structure here. So but the market react to this place, and after the thing, the market retest this particular area. So this place become what, our, look at our demand supply zone here. This last candle here is our demand zone. So when the market mitigated it, it went up down here. So but if you want to refine this particular thing here, you can see that the supply zone is very too much. That's what I'm saying, that you can actually go to what, 15-minute time frame or 5 minutes to mark this particular things, guys. You can see that mark this particular thing. So right now, let's go to 15-minute time frame. We are now in 15-minute time frame. Okay, you can see it, guys. You can see what I'm telling you, guys. You can see what I'm telling you. So this is exactly what I'm trying to show you, guys. This is exactly what I'm trying to show you. If you look at here, guys, you can see that if you can actually refine this, we take this candle here as our what? As our supply zone, and you can see that it is now refined. So the market went up here and come down here, guys. So this is a breakout strategy, so which is actually breakout. This place become our what? This place is what? Is our demand zone, and the market make a break of structure here and went up here and went down and break this level here. So we are no longer in uptrend, so we are waiting for the market to retest at that point, guys. So the market went down here, guys, and now retesting this particular area. We are now using it as our demand supply zone, guys. So, and that is how it is actually come to this particular area. So looking at this place here, you can see that there is what a break of structure here, right? So which is actually, we take this place as what our demand zone, which is actually confirmed. And this one, instead of this one also went up and from here, so this one went down here and break this level, which is actually say that our now break of structure is no longer working. Like this thing now, right now, is no longer valid because it have broken this level. The market is supposed to go up here, the market is supposed to go up around here, but it couldn't. Rather, it break this level here, so come down again. So we'll be waiting for this. We now mark this place as our order block. So this place become our order block. So we now wait for the market to retest this particular zone here, and after the retest, then we go down here. See, look at where we'll be taking our profit. So you taking your profit at the next what next resistance or support area, guys. So don't be greedy, just know where you can take profit, and that is very, very nice. You can see it here that is touching this place, guys. So I'm using mobile, and I just want to show you how you can able to trade this, guys, even without, like, if you can study it. If you want to know how to trade it, I have a you can actually message me or something like that, like how to identify it very well, guys. I can actually help you very to identify it more and more, guys. So that is how to that's what I can tell you now on how to trade the demand and supply zone, guys. So in that case, guys, if you want to join our channel Telegram, there will be a link below, guys. So I will see you in my next video.